right, come out here and I'll give you a little spiel about the helicopter, then I'll let you crawl around on it. My name's Nate Patrick. I'm related to Jackie Owens. I'm sure some of you might know that. I've been here several times, so if you've seen me before, I've been here. Today I'm just acting as a pilot, but I'm an instructor pilot, maintenance test pilot. The guy on the other side is an instructor pilot as well, and Albert Beath here will be a flight instructor someday. So this is a UH-60 helicopter. It's made by Sikorsky. Sikorsky is the grandfather of helicopter aviation. If you want to know about him, go Google him. It's very fascinating for me, being in aviation. But taken in combat, I've flown this helicopter in Iraq, Kuwait, and these guys, Sergeant Beath is getting ready to go to Afghanistan with it. He'll get a flight over there, fly in it over there. I'll be going over there to fly Apaches, so that'll be fun. We got it configured today. We got a high-performance rescue hoist right here. This rescue hoist is designed to go pick up stupid people. Okay? It really is. 90% of the time, the people that we pick up, they get hurt because of their own fault. They go out hunting alone, or they go out skiing on backcountry trails, and you know, in Idaho, there's a lot of avalanche danger, especially you guys around here with going up towards Galena and whatnot. There's a lot of snow up there, and it's all loose, and it wants to come down on you, and they fall, we have to go rescue them. So that's why I say it's usually to go get stupid people.
Most of this stuff right here, that's all my navigation stuff. So we will fly actually in the clouds, just like an airliner would when you take off and everything disappears. We don't have autopilot, so the only way that I know once I'm in a cloud which direction is up and down is by looking at all those instruments. They kind of.
Can you really lose sense of which way's up?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. If you're one of the things that happens if you're in a cloud, you visually lose which reference is up, but you'd think, well, I'm sitting in a seat, I know which way is up because I'm sitting in a seat. But if you're in if you're pulling any type of G's, like let's say I do a 90-degree turn to the left, where now the whole helicopter's on its side, and if I start turning like that, I actually get a false sense of gravity because G-forces are pushing into me in my seat.
Oh, so
yeah, and there's actually a lot, that's like an extreme case, but there's a lot of little different things that are going on in the helicopter when you're bumping around and getting turned and stuff, that it's very easy to lose the direction of which way is up, which way is north, and stuff like that. So I've got to rely on my instruments, the artificial horizon, my compass, and my altimeter, and my airspeed, my vertical speed, to paint me a picture, basically, of where I'm at in the sky. Yeah. That's not too bad. It's kind of a skill. It's kind of like when you first start flying, you got to learn how to fly the helicopters. Helicopters are kind of like riding a bicycle or learning to drive a stick shift. It's not like real natural at first, and then after a while, you don't even have to think about it. It becomes automatic.